how to verify email on Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, then click on your store here, your store name here, and then click on manage account. After that, you'll go here, and then as for me, mine is already verified, but for you, you can just click here and then click on re-authenticate, or if you don't have an email here yet, just click here. Now choose your email, then type in your new email, and then just click on change email. Then you'll receive an email on your Gmail account. Just click on the email and then you'll see a link there. Just click on the link and then you'll automatically verify your email, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.